Goodwin Race Team back at it with another video for you guys. So, I straight piped the car a while back, but I didn't ever really finish the exhaust. So, today we are finally getting it finished. Unfortunately, it didn't quite match up from the stock exhaust to the intermediate pipes that I put on there, but we're going to get that fixed today. So, we'll get back at you when we get there. Anyway, so back at it, got it all finished up. Everything looks amazing. I love the way it turned out. Of course, my homeboy over at CJ's Muffler and Brake, I believe is what his business is called, out in Pantego, Texas, Arlington, Texas. He always takes care of me, so you know I had to go back and support him. So anyway, he got it all fixed up, got the pipes welded together, and I went ahead and put some new tips on there just for the hell of it. Wanted to get rid of those ugly chrome tips. But anyways, so it actually turned out a lot better than I expected. It sounds so much better now that everything's actually sealed up and running like it should. But anyways, I'm going to try and get y'all some roller footage of this. It's completely catless, 3-inch pipe for my intermediate pipe down to my stock exhaust, which I already took the mufflers and resonators out, as y'all could tell in a previous video where it's straight pipe with the cats. Well, this is without, and 3-inch pipe, so it sounds amazing. I'm in love with it. But anyways, I'm going to try and get some rollers for y'all as soon as possible. Unfortunately, the weather is not quite permitting right now, and we're about to have some crazy weather here in North Texas. So hopefully it'll pass through pretty quick and I can get y'all some roller shots. But anyways, that's going to finish it up for this video. Thank y'all to everyone who's subscribed and who continues to keep subscribing. We're slowly building this channel up, and one subscriber at a time, man. I mean, I appreciate every single one of y'all. I mean, it's taken 2 years to get where I am today, and I can't wait to see what y'all guys can do and help build this channel too. I mean, I love going out to the events, Texas 2K and whatnot. That was awesome. Got some 1320 merch from there. But anyways, if y'all love those types of videos and stuff, you know, keep subscribing. That way we can build the channel. That way I can go do more stuff like that for y'all and even get up closer to the action to be able to get some better shots for y'all guys. Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. I'm out. How dirty it is. That sounds good. Whew. Give y'all a little taste of what this thing sounds like now.